good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome to Social Studies class. We'll be learning more about the globe. Remember last week we learned about the globe and I said some facts about the globe. Remember that your globe is round, colorful, big, okay? And we said the globe is the model of the earth. That means the globe shows the earth as it looks, especially when you are looking at it from the outer space. And we also said that in the globe you can see the map and which shows so many things like the river, the lakes, the forests, buildings, and roads. And we also say that the globe is round, is a round surface, is round in shape. And basically, we said globe shows two major geographical features. The globe shows the land, the globe shows water. And we said the land, you can get to know your land with color green or sometimes brown, and the water with color blue. And we also said that talking about the land and the water, the largest land areas are called the continent, while the largest water areas are called the ocean. So, for the purpose of this class, we'll be focusing and learning more about our continents and our oceans. So, the world is a large place with many continents. Yes, the continents are separated by oceans. Basically, we have seven continents in the world. We have seven continents in the world. We have Africa. Can you say that after me? Africa, Asia, Asia, Australia, Australia, Europe, Europe, North America, North America, South America, South America, and Antarctica, Antarctica. Those are the seven continents in the world. So I'm going to teach you a song about the seven continents in the world. Let's go. There are seven continents in the world. I can name them. What about you? Jesus loves those children in the continent. Oh, let us name them all. Oh, North America to South America, 3 Africa, Asia 4, Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. Oh, let us name them all. Can I take that song again? There are seven continents in the world. I can name them. What about you? Jesus loves those children in the continent. Oh, let us name them all. Oh, North America to South America, 3 Africa, Asia 4, Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. So let us name them all. So if you want to remember all the seven continents in the world, please do sing the song and it will be very easy for you. So let's move on. In the seven continents, we have people who live in those continents. The first one, people who live in Africa. You know, Africa is part of our continent. People who live in Africa are called Africans. Africans. I live in Africa, so I am an African. Okay, so people who live in Africa are called Africans. People who live in Asia are called Asians. Asians. They are called Asians. People who live in Europe are called Europeans. People who live in Europe are called Europeans. And people who live in North or South America are called Americans. People who live in North or South America are called Americans. Americans. Now, Antarctica. Nobody lives in Antarctica the way they do in the rest of the parts of the world. That means the way they do in Africa, in Europe, in North and South America, in Asia. No, they don't live like that in Antarctica. Why? Because the weather is just too cold. It is too cold, so you get to see people there maybe for 2 3 weeks, 1 week. They go there for sightseeing, for tourism, or for some scientific findings. So they don't live there permanently like the way they do in other parts of the world. So Antarctica, that is it about Antarctica. Now talking about Australia. People who live in Australia are called Australians. If you look at these places and this continent and the people who live in them, you can see that you just have to add your ANS, okay? Or NS, not even ANS. Look at Africa. If you want to change Africa to people who live in Africa, you just put your what? NS. So Africa. You write Africa, then you put NS. The same thing as Asia. Look at people who live in Asia. They are called Asians. Put N and put S. NS. Look at it. Asians. And look at Europeans. Okay. This one you need to put your ANS. ANS. Europe, and then you put your ANS to give you Europeans. Okay, and the North and South America, you put your NS to give you Americans. Americans. So that's how to spell it to be easier for you. Then we have Australia. Australia. After writing Australia, just put your NS. NS. And it will give you Australians. The reason why we are putting S is because there are more than one. Remember your singular and plural. Okay? So if you are talking about just one person, just yourself, you can say Australian. But if you're talking about more than one person, you say Australians. Okay, so for example, I am an African. So if I'm talking about more than one African, I'll say Africans. Okay, so let's talk about we have oceans. We have 5 oceans. We have 5 oceans. How many oceans? We have 5. 5 oceans. And we have the first one, we have the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. We have the Southern Ocean. That means AS. Okay, we have the Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. We have the Indian Ocean. That would be I. And we have the and Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, and we have the Pacific Ocean. Can you see that the acronyms for all the 5 oceans can give you Asia P? Look at our Asia right there. Let's see Asia. See ASIA. ASIAP. So the all your 5 oceans can give you the acronym for Asia P. So A in this one is Arctic Ocean, S is Southern Ocean, I is Indian Ocean, A is Atlantic Ocean, and P is Pacific Ocean. So that's how to remember your 5 oceans, the 5 oceans in the world: Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. And the acronyms can be Asia P. Good job. So let's look at the picture. Look, no, I told you the other time that you can represent your ocean with color blue. So look at the Pacific Ocean right here. Look at the Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Yes. Now look at this picture of your 7 continents and your 5 oceans. Okay. So we have, let's look at the continent. We have the North America, South America, Africa, Asia, those are the continents, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, those are the continents. Okay, now let's look at the ocean. We have the Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. So that is it about your 7 continents and your 5 oceans. If you have any question, please do send them through the comment box. Before I go, let's sing our continent song again. There are 7 continents in the world. I can name them. What about you? Jesus loved those children in the continent, so let us name them all. Oh, North America to South America, 3 Africa, Asia, 4 Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. Oh, let us name them all. Okay, so I'm going to sing it for the last time. As I'm singing, please touch this continent. As I'm calling them, you touch them to be sure that you know your continent. There are 7 continents in the world. Touch them. I can name them. What about you? Jesus loves those children in the continent. So let us name them all. Oh, North America to South America, 3 Africa, Asia, 4 Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. Oh, let us name them all.